Primary Librarian, and I want to thank you so much for being here with me today. We are going to go over the summer surprise box, which is all these goodies right here, and I wanted to do that with you as I opened it and kind of give a review. What I do want to say before we get started is, one, thank you to everyone who is returning and a subscriber to my channel, and two, for those of you who are new, stick around. We've got some really cute and cool stuff going on and happening here. So let's go ahead and get started. First of all, here is the box. The box came in another box because I had ordered some other stuff, which I think is great because then I don't have any markings on here. I have a little bit of tape here in the front that was used to close the box, but other than that, there's nothing else on there. Let me turn this around so you can see the end of the box has the Erin Condren symbol on it. And so that's the box. I'm gonna put that over there. So let's go through the contents and I'll just give you my honest opinion on what I'm thinking. I'm going to start with the scissors. This scissors was a very big surprise to me because I think they're super cute. I think they're super cute and pretty much ingenious. I love things that kind of, you know, like a Swiss Army knife almost. That's what it reminds me of. But here are the scissors. It come in this beautiful color. And it's almost like a greenish mint, maybe. And this is what the scissors look like here. And they have this little kind of spring action thing. You pull it back and then it stays, let's say you pull it back and it stays closed. Push it and then it's open. And then you can do some cutting. So let's see if we can do maybe a test. I'm gonna get a post-it note. I'm sure it'll work on most post-it notes. It's not a very, not for like cutting cardboard or anything, I don't believe, but if you want to cut a sticker, I think that would be great. I'm gonna cut a sticker down like that. That'd be awesome. So there you have it, the scissors. And they're called pocket scissors. Cut, craft, and create on the go with these portable, stylish pen style pocket scissors. So don't know if you can bring them on the airplane. Probably cannot, but hey, you can keep them in your pocket. The other thing that was really cool about this is, take this part off. You could use this for a bookmark. Oh, the front of it is kind of cute for a bookmark, and just cut this little tag off right there and you could use it as a bookmark. So that's that. Then let's see, we'll put those over there, and then we have this glue tape. So the glue tape is just like any other tape, running tape, I guess tape runner I should say. Let's open it up there. And cute, right? So it's got the little Erin Condren symbol there. And then I think, let's see, how would I do? Does it just come out? No. There we go. I'm sorry if I'm off camera here today, but this lip pulls back and then it's sticky right here. And I'm assuming it might be a repositional. Let's try it. And though it says permanent, let's see. It doesn't say. But because of those dots, I think that's going to be repositional. And you know, you can always take the glue that you have, and if you don't want it super sticky, just put your finger on it like that, and then it'll make it less sticky. So let's put those there. This is the Erin Condren. Let's see, this is a block of notes. So what I found is that this does not have adhesive on it. We'd love for it to have adhesive on it to be a post-it note, but it's just white and it doesn't look like this. It would be great if it had this on it, the motif, but it does not. And I can't find my scissors. Wait, hold on a second. Let me, scissors. Ta-da! Multi-purpose already. Look at that. I haven't even been in the video for 5 minutes yet. Okay. And let's cut. And let's go across this. Well, there you go. Let's cut this part off. I'm like looking for my scissors, looking for, wait a minute, I have a pair of scissors right here. All right, so we're gonna cut that, take that off, put our handy little scissors away. Look at that, it's proved itself already. Okay, and so this is the top part, and it lifts up to just blank note pages. Now, the thing that's really pretty about it though are the sides. The sides of this are super cute. The inside is just a regular piece of white note paper. So you can take this out and do a note, but you can't tell by the sides the kind of like color it has on it. It has no color. So this would have been great on the front of this. So pretty, still pretty. Can move one out of the way. Okay, next up is sticker paper, sticker book from some of the other YouTube channels that I've been watching. This used to be out a long time ago, and now they brought it back. Excuse me. So this is a sticker paper, and it has the layers collection in it. And what you do is you can use this for washi, cut it straight across, and you can use it for washi. And then the back is just that sticky paper, so you'll be able to, I don't have to be that part. Oh, there we go. Okay, so this part, sticky, just like regular sticky paper. You do that. But that's what the book is. It has all these colors, beautiful colors in it. The red, the tealish blue, green, darker blue, like a burnt orange color, purple. And I think these would be great, especially if you're doing like a spread that has all of the same color on it and these are in the layers. That'd be really pretty. Beautiful. Did I forget a color? Purple. And then there's that pinkish color. See all those colors in there? Super cute. Okay. Moving on. These are the stickers that come from it. Can I open this? Beautiful stickers. Erin Condren always has beautiful stickers. Some really pretty colors. Look at this. So cute. See those? Summer Lovin', Hello Sunshine. And this, I think, is this was also on one of their books. The sticker books, it was on there as well. Here's another one with a little bit more functional. These are decorative and these are a little bit more functional and cute, very cute decorative. Okay. And then we get down to the pouch. And this pouch is a little different for me too, because it just looks a little different. That's all. Not that I wouldn't use it at all. I might have opened that wrong. Ooh, this is shiny. Super shiny. It's a textured zipper pouch. So this reminds me of like Jane Fonda doing like her exercises, and it's like, let's get physical. I think that I might be dating myself, but I think it's cute. It is still cute. This right here is like a rose. It looks like rose gold kind of crunchiness, and this is pink and blue. I don't know where you put the colors from, get the colors from together, but it is super cute. It's very, very cute. And I do this and open the inside. It's like there's like a very soft texture on the inside. I don't know, it could be used as a makeup bag. I'm not sure. This inside would not have me use it as one of those because it's white. So I could put these in there. Let's see, can we put some of the stuff we already had in there? Let's see how much it would fit. That can go in there. Our notes can go in there. Here's our tape and our scissors so far. Yeah, so far so good. It's just cute. It's just adorable. It's just an adorable pouch. And I think that's the way we think sometimes, is just, okay, is it cute? It may not be very functional, but is it cute? Yes, that's one of those things. So I'm going to put this right here. That's with all of our stuff in it. And then I'm going to focus on these two. So this is the Petite Journal. It says includes 80 memory keeping pages. And this is a little bit different though. So let's open this up. Usually they come, the Petite Journals, they'll come with a dot grid, lined or lined pages. And I think there's graph paper that they come in, but this one is a little bit different because it's for memory keeping. The colors are still beautiful. Super, super pretty. And then here we have the same layers. Beautiful, just beautiful. And Petite Planner Summer Journal. You never know until you go. So see how this one's different? It's like for memory keeping if you're going to take pictures or something. So there's that. So there's one, let's see, one spread of these. And then there's maybe some journaling. And then there's a blank page. Then there's some more journaling, blank page, and that goes on for a little bit. And then it comes back to another page where you can put a picture here. This might be good for like if you travel during the summer and you wanted to, you have pictures of either the kids playing, you want to journal what happened, almost like a layout for scrapbook. Hopefully you guys can see that. Almost like that. And it goes on throughout the whole book. You can see that there. I'm missing some. There we go. And I think there we go. I was missing the pages. So it's like every few pages you'll have another space for journaling or something. And then you'll also have for pictures. Very cute. And then we get to the end with the same quote. And then these beautiful colors. This is pretty in and of itself. That'd be very, very cute. Very, very cute for anything. So this is the journal. Then we come to this. This is the Petite Planner Sleeve, Travel Light and Plan on the Go. So let's open this up. It looks sparkly. And let's see. We gotta find where to open it at. But it is pretty. I could be biased though because I absolutely love all stuff like shiny. The shinier it is, the better. So pretty. Okay, so this is stuck in this bag. Yeah, it's like clinging down to it. So you go through and then hopefully you can pull it out. If not, I'm gonna have to pull out my handy dandy scissors. Let's see, maybe we can do it this way. There we go. And kind of just flip off. Okay. There we go. Ooh, that was trying. Okay, so it's a cover to go on top of your Petite planners. Let's open it up this way. It is like a vinyl. And then you take your planner. Now, I have seen that this has been kind of hard to get it in place, but we're going to try. Kind of stuck right there. Ooh, that's pretty. Love the glitter. Love the glitter. Let's try it on this side too. Lift that part up. This part up. Maybe if I lift it up like this. There we go. And then slide it in. Oh, that was so much easier. So if you've gotten one and it's hard to get in, have both of these right here at the spine. Lift those up and then put them in. So much easier. Cute. That's kind of cute. Just leave it like that. You know what I could see is using something like this to take, especially with the cover on it, if you write notes in church, or maybe even at work. Well, maybe not at work, because you know, the whole shiny thing, you know, that might take away from the meeting. But I could definitely see, you know, you writing a little something while you're in church. Well, I could see me anyway. But just having something there that you can write down, jot down some notes or something like that. I might use it that way, because I could totally see, like on one of these pages here like this, especially in these little circles right here, you could put the scripture right here, and then, you know, your thoughts on it or something. That's really not enough space for thoughts, but maybe up here, your thoughts here, or you can, you know, do some thoughts over there, and definitely here, put the scripture down here, and maybe even some thoughts up there. That'd be cool too. But whatever you use it for, whether it be in, you know, at work, at church, or at home, or it's for memory keeping. So if you have pictures, like with that the little zip, I think it's called, or the HP, I forget the name of it, I'm so sorry, but you could take your pictures, and I think they're 2x3 or 2x3.5 or something, and you can put the pictures in here and then journal. So that's what it's made for. It's a memory book. So thank you guys so much for staying with me and watching and seeing what I got in my surprise box. Thank you. I appreciate it so much. If you are a new subscriber or a new person here, please do subscribe. And if you liked what you see, please don't forget to hit the like button and also the notification bell, so that you're notified whenever my videos go live. And that should usually be on Sunday and on Thursday. So thank you guys so much. I appreciate you being here. Have a good day. Bye.